taxi driver and his passengers now okay. This was after a freak accident in Brooklyn. Look at the damage here. A boom lift crashed down onto the cab on New York Avenue in East Flatbush yesterday afternoon. The driver and one passenger were taken to the hospital. Two others were treated at the site and are expected to be okay. But a witness who lives across the street described just how frightening that scene was.
It's literally right on top of the driver's head. Literally right on top of the driver's head, and all he had was a couple of scratches on his face from the glass.
Wow. Investigators still trying to figure out what caused that accident.